It's giving me breakfast at Tiffany's. Hi darlings, this is Lena with Lena's Lovely Locks. If this is not your first time, welcome back. And if this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. So today we're doing something a little different. I'm not going to show you my locks, but I'm going to show you something that I recently bought. And this is my first time ever buying something expensive like this, high-end fashion. So the thing with Chanel is I call myself going online to purchase some earrings, and just a word of caution. If you're able to buy some Chanel jewelry or Chanel anything online, it's not authentic. You are not able to purchase anything Chanel online. You need to have an advisor. So that's the first thing. If you purchase or are able to purchase some Chanel jewelry online, just keep in mind that it may not be authentic. So I go into the store, and the earrings that I wanted, I'm going to show them right here, were not in the store. She had to order them. So, and my advisor, her name is Pam.
Are you saying Pan or Pam?
I'm saying
just Pam. She had to order them, and they had to be shipped to the store, and they came in about 2 weeks later. And here it is. Here's my Chanel purchase. You can see the Chanel flower on the bag. Another thing, I was taking videos in the store, and I wasn't allowed to take them. I didn't know. So yeah, ask for forgiveness, not permission. So this will be my very first time seeing them in person. I have not opened these up at all. I wanted to open them up with you, and I want you guys to see my reaction as I get them. So here we go. I would also like you guys to keep in mind that this is costume jewelry. This is not real gold. These are not real diamonds in these earrings. This is just purely costume jewelry. Now Chanel does have high-end jewelry and real diamonds, real gold, but they are like $15,000, something I cannot afford. So again, keep in mind that if you're going to purchase the earrings like these, they are costume jewelry. However, Chanel does back it by a 5-year warranty. If you lose a stone or anything breaks or chips in it within 5 years, just send it out to them and they'll fix it for you for free and send it back. After the 5 years, you can still get it fixed, but for a price. I just want you guys to keep that in mind. Okay, and let me go ahead and put it in right here. Okay, here they are. It's giving me breakfast at Tiffany's.
Thanks for joining us at Lena's Lovely Locks. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to her channel, lovelies.